Blackout bingo support issues are usually solved faster by checking the right contact method, account details, and common app problems before waiting for a response. By the end, you will know what to do when Blackout bingo support is not responding, what information to include in your request, and which troubleshooting steps to try first. Start by checking your support request details. When a support team receives a message, they need enough information to identify your account and understand the problem. A message that only says, "My app is not working," may not provide enough details to investigate. Include the issue you are facing, your account information requested by the app, the device you are using, and what happened before the problem started. For example, if a tournament is not loading, explain when it started, whether the app shows an error message, and whether restarting the app changes anything. The second step is checking the app itself. Some support problems are caused by outdated app versions, connection issues, or temporary app errors. Before sending another message, close Blackout Bingo completely and reopen it. Check for available updates through your device's app store and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. These steps help determine whether the issue is with your account or the app environment. The third step is following up correctly. Sending multiple support requests with different information can make it harder to track the original problem. Keep your follow-up message connected to the first request and include any new details that can help support identify the issue. If you are waiting for a response, keep screenshots of error messages, transaction details, or tournament information related to your problem. These details can make troubleshooting easier when support reviews your case. The fastest way to handle a Blackout Bingo support problem is to provide clear information, test basic fixes, and keep your communication organized. The main points are simple. Give support enough account and problem details, check for app or connection issues, and follow up with useful information instead of repeating the same message. Your next step is to reopen your support request, add missing details if needed, and save screenshots that show exactly what is happening. If this guide helped you fix your Blackout Bingo issue, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and reward app reviews.